Okay, now that we have dealt with GCF, remember GCF is breaking down the number into the factors that make that number up. Now we're going to switch up to least common multiple. Least common multiple means that you have to multiply the number. So if I give you 5, you're multiplying the 5 times tables. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. Or, and to make it easy, let's count, man. Let's count, man. That's a little trick. Let's count, man. That means you're counting by 5s. Count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's what we're going to be doing when we find the LCM. When we find the least common multiple. Least common multiple, let's count, man. So we're going to count by 2s. Let's count, man. Let's count by 2s. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count by 3s. We have 3, 6, 9, 12. Now, we're looking for least common multiple. That means you're finding the smallest common number. 2 is not common. 4 is not common. 3 is not common. And look right here. The first number that was the same for both of them is 6. So that means that your least common multiple is 6. So that's a little trick. Let's count, man. So we're going to do this one now, 9 and 21. Let's count by 9s. Let's count, man. So we're going to count by 9s. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, well, I had a little brain fart. Let's count by 21s. So we have 21, 42, 63. Okay, that's going a little too high, so I'm gonna go back to this one. So then I have, after 36, we have 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. So it took me a while for the 9s, but look right here, the number finally repeated. So the least common multiple is going to be 63. So as you can see, I try to keep it balanced. So if one number went too high, like this one went too high, I went back to this number. So just keep on counting until you reach the first number that repeats on both of them. And 63 was the first one that repeated on both of them. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's count, man. Let's count by 14s. So 14 times 2 is 28. 14 times 3 is 42. Let's count by 21s. 21 times 1 is 21. 21 times 2 is 42. And bam, right there. That's the first number that repeats. So your LCM is 42. Okay, now we have 3 numbers, but we can still, let's count, man. We can still count. So we're gonna count, we're gonna multiply by 4s, count by 4s. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I'm gonna stop there for now. Let's go to 6. We have 6, 12. Oh look, 12 repeated. So let's see if it works for 8. Let's count by 8s. 8, 16. Oh, it doesn't work, so I have to keep on going. 24. Let's keep on with the 6s. 18, 24. Well, 24 is repeating, so let me go here. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and look right there. 24 was the number that repeated. So the least common multiple is going to be 24. And that's how you find your least common multiple. The little trick, let's count, man. Let's count, man. So that means that you have to count the numbers or multiply the numbers until you get the first one that is common amongst all of them. And that's how you find the least common multiple.